blue, yellow, and red engines will figure out which of them are the fastest. Thomas, Sir Handel, and Hank are the contenders of the blue color. Welcome to the Colorful Racing Challenge. Who of the blue engines will win in this round? Hank? Or perhaps Sir Handel? It's obvious that Thomas is winning this round. We congratulate him with the victory. He was unreachable today. Thomas is qualifying to the final. Stephen, Rebecca, and Duncan are our participants of yellow color. Wow, Duncan has managed to get ahead, and that is really unpredictable. Look, Rebecca is getting closer to Duncan and outpaces him at the turn. Who's gonna be first? Rebecca or Stephen? Come on, come on! Yay! That's Rebecca. She's in the final. James, Harvey, and Scarlowe representing the red color. I'm curious, who's gonna make it to the final and meet Thomas and Rebecca? Come on, guys, full steam ahead! Oh, it seems like James is going to become the leader. He has outpaced all the contenders and is approaching the finish. Yay! James wins! Welcome to the final. Thomas, Rebecca, and James. Now we'll find out the engine of which color will become the winner of today's racing. And who are you rooting for? Drop a few words in the comments, please. Come on, Thomas, come on! You can do it! Step on the gas, full speed ahead. Yay! Thomas is making it first to the finish. Oh, what is that? It seems like we have an extra group of green engines. Samson, Emily, and Paxton also want to try their luck and win the cup. Well, of course we can give them such an opportunity. It's intriguing which engine from Green Group will make it first to the finish and will be competing against Thomas. Oh, it seems like Emily is gonna be first. Wow, Samson is shooting ahead and winning the round. And now, Thomas and Samson will find out which one of them is the fastest and get the cup. Well, no one could have expected such an unpredictable final. And Thomas has to prove his superiority once again. Fortunately, Thomas is in an extremely good shape today and no engine can really be equal to him. The checkered flag is up, and that's the victory of the blue engine number 1. He gets his well-deserved cup. Congratulations go to our winner. We had so much fun today. Thank you kids for being with us. Subscribe, put your likes, share this video with your friends, and press on the bell. See you soon!